Good morning everyone. In this session we are going to discuss with the third unit, adjectives. Already I have studied the definition of adjectives and also kinds of adjectives. Which are the kinds of adjectives? You can say qualitative, quantitative, possessive, demonstrative and interrogative and proper. These are the kinds of adjectives already I learned. And also yesterday we were discussing with the participles as adjectives. Already I have seen present participle and also past participle. What is present? That action is going on. Already you have seen the examples, and after that you have seen past participle. What is past participle? The action is already completed. Okay, action that is complete. Okay, already we have seen the examples too. Okay, I think some exercises are remaining now. I think exercise B. Okay, so come to the exercise B. I think yesterday I have given some homework now, so let us do the homework. Okay, and also you just check with your answer. Okay. And also up to 4 I have completed, and also rest 5 to 10. Okay, check with your answer. Okay, fifth one, exercise B. Okay, the knave man believed the story. Name already I said the meaning. What is the wisdom? Okay, those who are knowledge. Okay, so knave man believed the story. You have to write the state. Okay, state their kind. Okay, which kind is this? Okay, so you can write knave is, that's a quality because wise man. Okay, so you can write quality. Okay, so knave is the adjective we just add. Okay, and so come to the next one. Sixth one, I am not going to buy these shoes. Okay, these shoes, point out something. So what is the answer? You can say that is a demonstration. Okay, point out something. Okay, these shoes. Okay, so this is the adjective. Okay, and also demonstrative. Okay, come to the next one. Seventh one, this palace was built in the 19th century. Okay, this palace was built. Okay, so what is that? This palace. So demonstration, point out something. So this is the adjective. Okay, this palace, demonstration. Come to the eighth one. You check with your answer. Okay, whether it is right or not. Okay, so eighth one, many Indian students are enrolled in American universities. So many, you can write that is a how much or how many. So that is a quantity. So many is underlined quantity adjective. Then Indian is not out, that is a proper. Okay, proper. Then students enrolled in American. Okay, you just underline American, that is a proper. So many is quantity, Indian and American, both of them are proper. Okay, proper adjectives. Okay, these are things. Come to the ninth one. It was a glorious, okay, glorious day with clear blue sky. Okay, so you can write glorious, that's a quality. Then clear blue. Okay, clear you can write, that's a clear also blue, and you can write quality. Okay, that's it. And this blue is a color, clear, that is a quality. Okay, next one, 10th one, there is little sense in what was being suggested. So little, you can write quantity. Okay, so these are the kinds of adjectives, and also you have underlined the adjectives and kind. Okay, I think these exercises are very clear for you. Okay, that's what I told you, just to study the kinds of adjectives, then it will be very easy. And also yesterday we were dealing with the principles of adjectives, that is also completed now. And also some exercises are remaining now. I think 6 to 10, that's a homework for you now. So let us discuss in this session. Exercise C. Okay, fill in the blanks with the suitable participles of verbs given in brackets. Already you have seen. First one, the present participle is, already you have seen, the action that is going on, just going on. What is the next one? Past participle, the action is already completed. Okay, so I think up to 1 to 5 I have completed, and also rest remaining now 6 to 10. Okay, take the 6 to 10. Okay, sixth one, everybody felt. Okay, felt. Okay, very annoyed, become annoyed. Okay, the action is already completed. Okay, so annoyed by the things that happened. Okay, so annoyed, already action completed. Okay, annoyed. Then come to the next one, seventh one, he felt. Trapped, become he felt. So trapped. Okay, trapped in the difficult situation. Okay, trapped. Okay, take the next one, eighth one, the experts are really worried about the worried about the increasing. Okay, so that's increasing, past participle, present participle. Okay, present, increase, ing form now. Okay, increasing population. Come to the next one, ninth one, the jug on the table has some sparkle become present participle, so you can add sparkling. Okay, sparkling, ing form you can add. And 10th one, when the dog ran out. Okay, Mohit had worried, okay, past participle, okay, ed form, okay. So worried look, okay. These are the answers, okay. I think you just check with your answer whether it is right or not, okay. And also these things are very clear for you. I hope you have a good idea about this present participle and past participles. There is no nothing is, it is very simple, okay. You just understand and study, okay. That's it. Come to the next one. Compound adjectives. Compound means just like a join, okay. Join two or more words together, okay. Already on and in pronoun also, okay. Just like a compound sentence, and so in noun also we have studied, okay. So compound adjectives. So what is compound adjectives? Compound adjectives are made up of two or more words. Underline, okay. Already it is there. Compound words are made up of two or more words. That is compound adjectives, okay. So compound adjectives are often joined by a hyphen. That you have to understand. Always compound adjectives are often joined joined by a hyphen. Hyphen will be there, just like a kind-hearted, then bottle green, like this. See, kind-hearted, okay, like this. See the examples. I have never, and also some with the hyphen words are there in the next, I think page number 21 D exercise. See the D, this everything is there, okay. Weak need, short sighted, okay. That you will study very next, okay. Coming, okay. So see the examples, page number 20. I have never known a more kind-hearted person. Actually it is a compound adjectives, kind-hearted. See the italics words. And this next one is B. I will wear the bottle green dress today. Bottle green, that's a compound adjective, okay. So first one, kind-hearted, that is a compound adjective. And also in the second line, bottle green, that is a compound adjective. That's it, okay. That's all. And also in some case, see the next page number 21. If the first part of the adjective is an adverb, just like a funnily, rapidly, fastly, sweetly, like this, okay. Slowly, like this, okay. Adverb, then there is no hyphen between the words that make up the adjectives. And also if you are using adverb, we are not using any hyphen. See the examples. I came across a funnily, adverb, okay. Funnily dancing monkey, okay. Funnily dancing monkey, they are not using any hyphen because adverb is coming already, sir. Now in the first part of the adjective is an adverb, okay. Then there is no hyphen between the words that make up the adjectives, okay. I came across funnily dancing monkey, okay. Funnily is adverb. And also second one, see, I noticed the carefully cleaned, okay. Carefully cleaned, carefully is the adverb we can see. And also we can see slowly we can add, then rapidly, or just like what is that, badly we can add, then the first one funnily we can add rapidly, sweetly, fastly, okay. Fastly dancing, okay. See, that are the adverb, okay. And with this we are not using the hyphens, okay. That's all. And come to the exercise D, okay. This I will do it, okay. After that we can complete the next E exercise, otherwise you will be confused, okay. That's it. So I will say the answers, you just write it, okay. And also I will give the answer at the end of this session, okay. So now you just write it, okay. Match the compound adjectives with their appropriate meanings, okay. So first one, weak need, okay. Weak need, okay. Weak need means just like a hyphen based adjectives, okay. These are the compound adjectives, okay. So weak need, what is the answer? Weak need, you can write the E, the meaning is E, okay. Shaky, lacking courage, okay. That is weak need, okay. So shaky and lacking courage, okay. Shaky, lacking courage, that's the first answer. So come to the second one, short-sighted, okay. Short-sighted, that's the second adjective, compound, okay. Compound adjective, short-sighted. So short-sighted you can add second one, lacking imagination or foresight, okay. Foresight, okay. So foresight, okay. Foresight, that is the second one. I think that is the H, okay. H is the second answer, okay. Lacking imagination or foresight. Then come to the third one, single-minded, okay. Single-minded. So single-minded you can write single-minded. From here you can find, okay. First one, A, focused and determined, that is the answer, okay. Single-minded, that is focused and determined, that is the answer. So come to the fourth one, able-bodied, okay. Able-bodied. The fourth one we can write, okay. That is G, answer is G. See, physically sound and strong, that is the answer. Physically sound and strong, fourth one. So fifth one, hard-pressed, hard-pressed. So what is the answer? Hard-pressed we can write B, okay. Under a lot of stress or strain. Okay, under a lot of stress or strain. That is the answer. And also come to the next one. Sixth one. Thick-skinned. Thick-skinned. Sixth one you can write. The answer is I. Okay. Unaffected by criticism. Thick-skinned. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's it. Okay. Come to the seventh one. Well-known. What is the meaning? Well-known. You can write the meaning. Well-known. Seventh one. Widely known. That's a common word. Okay. Well-known. Widely known. Okay. So self-seeking. Eighth one. So you can write eighth one. D. Okay. Caring only about personal gain. That is self-seeking. Okay. Caring only about personal gain. Okay. That's it. So D. So ninth one. Broad-minded. Ninth one. That you can write. Tolerant, not conservative. So that is F. Okay, F is ninth one. Then 10th one, hard-nosed. So that you can write 10th one. You can write last one, J. Realistic and determined, tough. Okay, though-minded. Okay, tough-minded. Okay, that's it. Tough-minded. That's it. Hard-nosed. That is tough-minded. That's it. So these are the adjectives and compound adjectives and their meanings. This you have to study carefully. Then you can complete the next. Okay, next exercise E. Okay, I think up to there you don't have any doubt. You already studied the compound adjectives. Okay, so let us do the next exercise. Okay, come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks into the compound adjectives from exercise D. So with the help of exercise D, you have to do the E. Okay. So first three I will do. Okay, first three I will do. Rest of things it is a comma for you. Just to find. Okay, find. Already I gave the adjectives, compound adjectives and meaning. So with this, with the help of this, you have to find the answer. Okay, find the answer. Okay, from this column. Okay, from D. Okay, exercise D. Okay. So we need to carry heavy parcels to the car. Understand the meaning. Okay. So we need to carry heavy parcel to the car. We need a few. What is the answer? We need a few dash people. So what is the answer? We need a. So you just check with your answer. Okay. We can write here able-bodied. Okay. Able-bodied. What is the meaning able-bodied? See the fourth one. So what is the fourth one meaning? You just check. Physically sound and very strong. That's what you see the meaning. We need to carry heavy parcel to the car. Okay. We need a few able-bodied. That is the answer. Able-bodied means physically sound and strong. Very strong man. Okay, that's it. So come to the next one. So understand like this and also write the answer. Okay. So second one, considering the expenditure. Okay, just like expenditure required to fix the roads. We are hard pressed. You can write hard pressed for money. What is the meaning of hard pressed? Hard pressed, take from here. Okay, hard pressed means you can write the fifth one. No, so you just see the fifth one, under a lot of stress or strain. That is the answer. Under a lot of stress or strain. That's it. Considering the expenditure required to fix the road, we are hard pressed for money. Just like under a lot of stress and strain. That's it. So come to the third one. This is the last one I will do after rest of things. That's the homework. Okay. We should be. Okay. First one. We should be dash and not let prejudices rule our view of others. So you can write broad-minded. Okay. Already I said what is broad-minded. Ninth one already I said broad-minded meaning. That's the ninth one is tolerant, not conservative. So that is the answer. Okay, that's it. We should be broad-minded and not let prejudices rule our view of others. So rest of things, that is the homework. You just do it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you just comment. There is no doubt, you just check with your answer and understand the meaning and just write. That's it. Okay. So come to the next one. Comparison of adjectives. Comparative form, positive, comparative and superlative form. Just like a large, larger, largest, then more, just like a many, more, then most, like this. Okay. Take the comparison of adjectives. Okay. So there are 3 degrees of adjectives. So which are the 3 degrees? We can say that positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. These are the degrees. And also regular adjectives, irregular adjectives and adjectives with more than 2 syllables. Okay. Syllables means just like intelligent will become more intelligent, most. Then confused become more confused. Interested become more interesting, most interesting, like this. Okay. So first one, see regular adjectives. And also this column, okay, the column, okay, you have to study the column very carefully. Then also we can complete the next one. Same like, okay, this you have to study carefully. Okay. Come to the regular adjectives. Large, larger, largest. Okay, that will go as like, okay, just like you have to add the ER form, ER and EST form. Okay. Then clear, clearer, clearest. Pure, purer, purest. Then good. Then take the irregular adjectives. Second one is irregular adjectives. Good become better, best. Then bad become worse, worst. Then far become further, furthest. Then next one, many, more, most. Okay, many, more, most. These are the irregular adjectives. And last one, see, just like you have to add with the more and the most. That's only adjectives with the more than 2 syllables. See, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. In comparison, we are using more, and also in superlative, we are using most. Okay. And also next one, confused, more confused in comparative, and also most in superlative. Okay. And also one more we can add. Okay, interesting, more interesting, so comparative, most interesting, that is superlative. Okay. And also superlative will be always just like a ending within regular adjectives, just like a EST form, and also in comparative ER form, and also first one most in as like, okay, just like a large, larger, largest. So these are examples. Come to the next column, and also in this we will study the comparison of adjectives in detail. Okay, see the examples, everything. Okay, come to the first one. When making an unequal comparison, okay, unequal comparison, we use the comparative degree of adjectives with the than. Okay, so when making an unequal comparison, okay, see the example. This room is larger than the earlier one. Okay, this room is larger than the earlier one. That's what it is saying. It is an unequal comparison. Okay, so with the unequal comparison, we are using the comparative. Okay, comparative degree of adjectives, and also there we are using than. Okay, that's what it is saying. This room is larger than the earlier one. Okay, so what is the first form? Larger. That is a positive form. Larger is comparative form, and also what is superlative form? Largest. Okay. See the next one. The air in the hills is purer. That's the next one. Purer, purest. Okay. So pure, purer, purest. Okay. So purer. That's the comparative form. Purer than in the city. Okay. That's only when unequal comparison comes. Okay. These are the examples. See. And also the next one. This you have to underline. Negative comparison using not. Okay. Not often use the positive degree. That you have to keep it in mind. Okay. So in negative comparisons using not, often use the positive degree. See the example. My left arm is not as strong. Okay, that's the positive form. Strong. What is the comparative form? Stronger. What is the superlative? Strongest. Okay. So strong. As my right one. Okay. These are the examples. Second one. He is not as hard. Okay. So hard is the positive. And so what is the comparative? Harder. What is the superlative? Hardest. Hard working as his sister. Okay. That's it. See the next one. When making a comparison at the same level, okay, at the same level, we use the positive degree of adjective. See the example. The film is as interesting as its picture. Okay, so interesting. So that's the positive form. Okay, when making a comparison at the same level, we use positive degree. See what is the comparative form of interesting? We can say more interesting. What is the superlative form? Most interesting. Okay, and come to the next one. Some say Kolkata is as fascinating. Okay, fascinating as Cairo. Okay, so we can say fascinating. That's a positive degree. And so what is the comparative? More fascinating, and also most. That's the superlative of most fascinating. Okay. Come to the last one. This is the last one. When one thing or person is singled out in a group, or we can see one group, and also we have to singled out in a group. Okay, singled out, just like point out something. See, we use the superlative degree of adjectives, just like we can say. See the example. My brother is the tallest. Okay, tallest from this group. Okay, tallest boy in this group. So okay, just point out something. Then we are using the superlative form. Okay, when we just like what is that? When one thing or person is singled out in a group, we are using the superlative form. That's it. Okay. So tall, that is a positive. Taller, tallest. Okay, that's it. And this is the next one. This is the longest essay in the entire book. Okay, so this is the longest. So just like a point out something. Okay, just like a we can single out in a group. That's it. Single out in a textbook. Okay, that's it. So this is the longest. So what is the positive form? Long, longer, longest. Longest is a superlative form. That's it. So with this, I am going to wind up this session. If you have any doubt regarding this, you just contact. Okay. So thank you.